Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I want to show you how you can connect different health apps to the Health Connect app so you can then access the data from these different health apps in the Google Health app. So the easiest way to do this is through the Google Health app itself. So go in the Google Health app, tap on this icon here and then go in Partner Apps. Here you will see this option, Manage Health Connect. Go in here and then tap on Manage Data and Access. From here, you will see all the apps that are actually eligible to connect to the Health Connect. So if you tap on see more, you will see all of them. So here, let's say I want to connect Samsung Health to Health Connect. Now here I can allow it to read data from Health Connect and write data to Health Connect. So it will have access to data in Health Connect provided by other apps, and it can also provide data to Health Connect that will be available to other apps. So we'll allow all here. Then we can also connect the Google Health app to do the same thing, read and write data. We'll do that, and then I'll connect one more, which is the Zap app. Again, it will read and write data to and from Health Connect app. Now I have connected these three apps to Health Connect. If I go in my sleep tracking here, this is the sleep tracking. Now I can tap on this three-dot menu, tap on view sources, and here I can see data from these specific apps. So this is the data from Fitbit Air. So this is the sleep tracking from Fitbit Air. I can also select Samsung Health, and right now there is no data because Samsung Health will provide data in future, or once it syncs up, I'll be able to see the data from Samsung Health about my sleep here. And same goes for Zap. Once it syncs up with Health Connect, I'll be able to see that data in. Same goes for other things, like if we go in steps, you can go in view sources, you can take a look at different sources of how much steps they have measured. Now one more thing you can do here is that you can go in manage data and go in data sources and priority and give priority to different apps in Health Connect. So here I've got Google Health as number 1, Samsung Health as number 2, and Zap as number 3. Now this is for activity. You can also do the same for sleep, so you can come in here and change the priority of these apps and their data in the Health Connect app.